Organization and Structure, Part 3. The problem for a lot of people with trying to get creative with an essay on a computer file is that it can be hard to keep track of all the parts in your head while thinking through different organizational options. So here's a quick and easy activity you can do to help you out and try different organizational structures. To do this, you'll need a hard copy of your essay, a pencil or pen, scissors, tape, and some floor space. First, print out your essay. To save paper and space, I recommend single spacing it before you print. Next, number the paragraphs in the order they appear in the original draft on the left-hand side of the page. Then, cut the paragraphs apart and shuffle them around. If in your draft a paragraph starts on one page and ends on another, you'll probably want to tape it together into one paragraph before you shuffle. Spread the paragraphs out on the floor in front of you so you can see them all. Spend some time looking for a spot that would serve as a good place to start your essay. This might be a key dramatic point or something else that will capture the reader's interest. Then, start organizing the essay. Think of the paragraphs as puzzle pieces and try different combinations to see what is the most effective. Feel free here to cut paragraphs in two if you want to break them up, or keep paragraphs that were previously paired together still connected. Don't worry about abrupt transitions at this point. When you put the essay back together, you can smooth out the rough edges. Once you have the paper's new organization figured out, number the paragraphs in their new order on the right. You might also want to tape the paper, or at least parts of it, back together into larger pieces. Having the older order number on the new order number will give you a point of reference when you start moving paragraphs around in your computer file. Now go back to the computer file and reorganize your paper as you decided. Then, read back through it and smooth out the rough edges. This likely means you will need to add transitions or revise previous transitions in the forms of words or phrases, hooking transition sentences, or visual transitions. And you need to put those in the new paper to make the organization flow smoothly. You might change a whole lot about the paper, or you might only make a few changes, moving large chunks of the essay at one time. Now, this isn't the only reorganizing activity you can do, but it is one approach that many students find quite effective. Consider trying it out as a way to make your writing's organization and structure more sophisticated and interesting to the reader.